Hey guys, what's going on? Yeah, going for a completely different approach here. Having to lay over my voice because, well, quite frankly, I didn't do a vlog this day. But figured I'd like to show you what it was like for me driving through Joburg's mini hurricane.
Or I like to call it the whirlwind of doom.
As you can see, the day started out quite beautiful. Some sirens. The day started off quite beautiful. I mean, there's not a cloud, and there's a couple of little baby clouds in the sky. You can see me squidding up. It's hot. That's how hot it was. I actually decided not to wear my jacket for the first time.
What are you doing? Start turning there.
These guys turning from the wrong lane.
It seems to be quite a common tradition here in South Africa.
As is, of course, the tradition.
I'm just on my lunch break here, going to grab some lunch. This guy on the right scared the shit out of me. He popped up out of nowhere. I was zoning out.
Yeah, basically shat myself because I've had quite a few hijacking experiences. Lived in the ghetto when I was a kid, so yeah, it happens.
Look at my fancy smartwatch. The light went green and these people are just dawdling. That lady made an effort. The one in the white turned her nose up at me like I was some asshole.
Like some sort of bleached asshole.
So I've arrived for lunch.
Man's got to eat.
Basically, the next video clip that's going to pop up is from my friend that I received
as soon as I got back from lunch. Yeah.
Yeah, so I received that video clip at about 3 o'clock. I knew shit was coming. As you can see, stuff's lying all over the floor. And there it is. Look at it.
Yeah, this son of a bitch.
It's coming, and that's basically the direction I gotta go. So I'm gunning it, eh? I'm just not putting foot, so I'm just pulling throttle, I guess.
Pulling wire.
There's traffic up ahead. No, fuck that shit. I'm not gonna sit in this. That's why I got myself a dual sport. Just gonna hop on the sidewalk through the little park here and cut out all that shit. It's raining pretty hard, and as you can see, that storm's coming.
Yeah, I know I'm riding like a douche, and what I'm doing is not really the safest thing, but I'm in a hurry.
Like I know at this point it was sopping wet,
and I hadn't even hit yet. It was free dry cleaning for my jacket because that shit was getting a little stinky.
Ooh, that lightning strike on the right there, and these buses. Oh my god, these buses, so frustrating.
Fucking fuck! I'm so wet. Ah, buses.
You know, it's pissing down with rain and all you want to do is just try avoid it. Look at that on the right. It's a mini Armageddon on the right hand side there. Like I said, the guy in front of me here.
Fuck, you know, if you can just fucking make up your fucking mind.
Yeah, you gotta excuse my French there, that shit's ain't funny.
Yeah, he couldn't make up his mind. Like, it looked like he wanted to change lanes, but he was straggling.
If you look at that thing, this thing's approaching like some sort of army of feminists or whatever have you.
I just got blown fucking over.
Yeah, I had all intentions of staying in that right-hand lane, but the wind had other choices for me. The camera here doesn't make it look that bad, but it's raining hard. I mean, maybe see on the floor, like the road's starting to flood a little.
Swear I saw a fish swim past me earlier.
Like I said, I'm sopping wet at this point, so it's not a dry part to me.
That's what she said.
Socks are wet, puddles in my boots, you know, standard stuff.
Fucking...
Traffic was a nightmare. Having to negotiate all these cars.
Yeah, it's trying to negotiate a peace treaty between North and South Korea or something like that. King Jong's like a little toddler. You know, when you see a toddler with something in his mouth and try to chase after him to get it back.
This is where it starts coming down. Like, it's raining hard now. Like, I mean, it's starting to hurt when the water's hitting you. And it's hitting you with a bit of force. Everyone's all over the show.
I swear at one point I felt like a hail of BB pellets smacking me in the chest there.
Yeah, I can tell you now, this wasn't fun. I was actually just a little stressed at the times. You can see the road's flooded as fuck. Look at all these puddles. And this right here coming up was the worst part. I mean, it's fucking red light.
Yeah, I never get stopped at this red light.
Holy fuck, I can't see a fucking thing.
Red lights, I've got to put my feet down in the puddles so my feet were soaking wet.
Feel it sloshing around between my toes.
This is where it starts coming down really hard now.
I wish we had those weathermen like you do overseas, where they get on air and they do the live broadcast in the weather. Love to have seen this shit now.
This is my GoPro cuts out. This here is basically my GoPro completely fucked out, but for some reason decided to take a random photograph. Found shelter and a bit of refuge. Sopping wet. You can see everyone else there above was also sopping wet. It was a good time. It was a little bit just after this. I'd say about a minute or so that after I found shelter, that it came full force. The hail, the wind, everything. People were freaking out because it was hailing fucking sideways. I'm not lying. Like literally, the hail was coming in sideways, nailing all the people underneath the shelter. The shelter actually didn't really do much. And then I left. Still in the rain, but at this point I was so wet I didn't give a shit. Just wanted to get home, take a warm shower. And that was that. Thanks for listening. Sweet, guys.